Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, October the 26th, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today, and we have a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low as we saw the market do yesterday. Change of sentiment in the market, however, previous day's candle was a red-bodied candle. Today we've had a green-bodied candle, and the market was able to close up towards the high, indicating that the buyers closed with control. Green body denotes that the buyers have made net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. Importantly, we have a shadow on the bottom of this candle, and that represents the market finding support at the top of the cloud and at the Tenkan-sen green line there at 1224. So this does offer a potential change of trend to the upside for this market. However, the trend remains down, with the market making a lower high and a lower low. In Ichimoku charts terms, the market is bullish because we're trading above the cloud, so we have a bullish market, but we are testing support at the top of the cloud, and we can see that we've done that on the previous two trading days. And the market is bullish because we're above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and the Tenkan-sen, the green line. The market also found support at the Tenkan-sen, as we said, also at the 1219 support that we've seen hold as previous resistance for this market. Just looking at the Kijun-sen, that has turned flat, and price action is being attracted back towards there. That's what happens when that turns flat. So there is still potential for the market to trade off, but we do have that very strong support down below. To the upside, we have fairly strong resistance at 1246, and then at the swing high at 1256, and above there resistance up to 1265. So 1246 is a very important level for us to watch tomorrow, but also watch the market around the top of the cloud here and down to around 1219. Next, moving on to light sweet crude oil, and here we see that the trend has changed to the downside. This current candle has made a lower high and a lower low. Fairly large red-bodied candle, and we can see the change of sentiment in this market. Previous three trading days we had green-bodied candles and a fairly large green body in that middle day there. Quite a bit of upside momentum in this market, but today that's evaporated. We have a fairly large red body candle where the trend has changed. The red body denotes the sellers making net bearish progress, and they've been able to close this market down towards the low, indicating that they've closed this market with control, and they showed quite strong commitment to taking this market lower for today's trading. Interestingly, here we found resistance up around this 94.64 level that we highlighted previously, and then also the market attempted to trade up the 92.57 level and failed to close up above there. We had the buyers losing commitment up around that level. Even more so interesting was this previous level at 90, the round number, where the market found resistance, and we had the market selling off quite strongly previously. We've been unable to breach that today to the downside, so that could now change character and hold as an area of support. So that 90 level is crucial to this market tomorrow morning when we open up. If that holds, we could bounce off there and test back up to the 92.57 or 94.64 region again. If the market trades down through there, we do have a few areas of fairly strong support. The top of the cloud extending, which is at roughly about 88.20, extending down to about 86.30, will hold as very strong support. But also we have the Tenkan-sen at 89.21, and then the Kijun-sen down around 84.80, and the level at 85 in that previous area of support. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, this market is bullish by trading up above the cloud, and also bullish in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes by trading above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. The Kijun-sen has turned flat here, and there is a possibility the market will attempt to retrace back towards the Kijun-sen. When that turns flat, it tends to attract price action. That's what's happened for previous days trading. So it's very important for us to watch that 90 level for any potential continuation of this trend to the downside. Next, moving on to gold, and here we have the current candle making a higher high and a higher low, so the trend remains up in the first time frame. We have had a change of trend in the second time frame to the upside, with the market making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs, so that's fairly bullish for this market. However, we have a fairly small green-bodied candle, although good that the body is still green means that the buyers have made net bullish progress. but the amount of progress that they've made is significantly less than the previous day, so that is a slight worry for this market. The market's also found resistance at the bottom of the cloud and at the 723 region that we highlighted previously as an area to watch. So there is potentially very strong resistance in this market, extending all the way up to around this 1814, 1815 level. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, the market is trading at the cloud, so we have a market that's basically neutral in the long-term time frame, but bullish in the medium-term and fast-term time frame by trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and the Tengen-sen, the green line. This market has tried to build up some momentum over the previous few days and testing around this area, but we know that the cloud can be a very strong area of resistance. We can see here on these occasions when the market tested at the bottom of the cloud, and we saw the sellers come back into this market and sell the market off, and the buyers lose commitment. So there is a possibility that that could happen for tomorrow's trading. Very important to watch the low of the current candle, which is around 1697, 1696 for a potential lower high and lower low. But also watch the bottom of the cloud, roughly around the 1723, 1725 region for a potential test up within the cloud and for that area to hold as resistance for this market.